Hello guys, today we're going to solve another kata from Codewars.com. It's from 6K by you, and let's go and read the instructions. Okay, complete the method function so that it converts dash underscore delimited words into camel casing. The first word within the output should be capitalized only if the only word was capitalized, known as upper camel case, also often referred to as Pascal case. Okay, for better understanding, just look at the examples. We have to write a function that takes this phrase and return this phrase. Okay, so the dashes were omitted and the first character after the dash was capitalized, and for the underscore is the same process too. If we have underscores, we have to omit them, and the first character after the underscore should be capitalized. So we have to write a function. We divide the problem into 2 or 3 simple steps. First, our function should omit the underscores or dashes, so it shouldn't consider any difference between dash or underscore, and has to omit them. Okay, so the first step is to omit the difference between dashes and underscores. So just use the replace function. It's easy, and write text modified is equal to text dot replace, and transform any dashes to underscore or vice versa, no difference. Transform and replaces all dashes into underscores. Okay, so in the next step we have to extract the words which are separated by the underscores. Okay, we turned all of the dashes into underscores, so now we have just underscores between the words, and then we have to split the string and extract the words, take out the words from it. So the final list is L and just text modified the split, use a split function, and separator is underscore, and this function takes out all of the words which are separated by the underscore. Okay, and so for now we have a list, and we can take a look at it on a spider and knowing better what is going on. So just use this text for example and put it in our terminal and call it text. Okay, now we use this line and put it here, and look what happens. Keep it. So text modified. Okay, look at it, all the dashes turned into underscores. Okay, the next step, split this. Okay, and look at L. Okay, we have a list with all of these words. Okay, now we have to capitalize the first character of each word except the first one. Okay, because we have to capitalize the word after the underscores. So we should return a list, return a string. So we have a empty string first. After that we should add the first word to the list. After that we should add the other elements from 1 to and should capitalize the first letter of them. Okay, so we can use this I dot capitalize for I in okay. It's invalid syntax, just write it like this. Join maybe it's work. Okay, that's it. So what we did here, just use we have this list and we have to put all these words together in the string and capitalize the first character of each of them except the first one, So first we define an empty string and add the first word, which here is this the, to it, and after that should return the string with the capitalized first character. Okay, and use join. The join function iterate over the list and takes out every element of it and capitalize them and add it to a empty string. Okay, and that's it. So we use this line. Let's see, put it here. First we have to define s, and at last return s. So let's try the solution. Okay, it passed all the tests. An attempt. Okay, our solution was correct. I hope you get some points and ideas, and good luck.